Hello gardeners, welcome to my channel. In this video we will talk about Coreopsis. This is Coreopsis. It is an amazing plant for your annual seasonal garden and one of my favorites. They are sun-loving, low maintenance and hardy plants that will fill your garden with lots of flowers. This is one of the best plants that I have grown in my garden, and this is a great plant for beginners because it is extremely low maintenance and grows very well with minimum care. They come in different varieties and colors. As you can see, they look stunning with this maroon and yellow color. They have this beautiful shape like daisies, and the flowers also stay fresh for about a week. They have leaves that are thin, almost like cosmos leaves. They're great for attracting bees and butterflies in your garden. The plants get about 3 feet tall and they look great when they move in the wind. You can plant them around other tall plants like poppies and cosmos. They are pretty flexible plants. In my region, I grow them in winter, spring and in early summertime. As they are sun-loving hardy plants, you can grow them as summer seasonal plants too. They're very easy to grow from seeds. I have grown them from seeds. You can also get small saplings from nurseries and grow them. Every year they self-seed and come up naturally in my garden like wildflowers. I don't even have to save seeds. They like sun, so choose a sunny spot for them. They require minimum 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight to bloom well. You can grow them in partial shade too. In that case, there may not be as many flowers like this. When the weather gets too hot during summertime, you can move them to a partial shade area to protect them from extreme heat. Growing them in container is very easy too. I have grown them in an 8-inch container. You can choose a bigger pot if you want. Give them some space to grow big so you can get more flowers. In case of potting mix, they can be grown in any kind of soil as long as it is well draining. A sandy soil will be very good for them. Don't worry if you have a poor soil. They grow very well in poor soil too. You can add very little compost if you want. I did not add any compost in my soil. You can add 1 tablespoon of bone meal and that will be enough for them. Feed them weekly with liquid fertilizer like mustard cake fertilizer. And don't add too much fertilizer or compost in this plant. They don't like too much care. They will flower more with little care and attention. Just make sure the drainage is good. You can add river sand to improve the drainage of your soil. When watering, check your soil. Water only when the soil feels dry. Don't overwater them. They can tolerate a little bit of dry soil, but in hot weather, water them regularly to keep the blooms fresh. Deadhead regularly. Cut the dry flowers to promote more blooming. With the dead flowers, also cut the flower stem as much as possible. These plants bloom a lot, so sometimes it is difficult to prune all the flowers, but if you do it, you will get great results. Also, you can cut them back a few inches when they have finished blooming to encourage new branches with more flowers. They can get attacked by aphids and mealybugs, so spray organic pesticides like neem oil to prevent any kind of pest attacks. You can save the seeds when the flowers dry up and store them in a dry place. Next year, you can just scatter the seeds on the soil and they will grow very easily. They're almost like wild plants, not difficult to grow at all. I hope you will enjoy planting them. And if you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I will see you next time. Happy gardening!